To replace the left upper dish rack adjuster in your dishwasher, pull the upper dish rack out. Then use a small flathead screwdriver to release the bottom tabs of both front stop clips. Fully remove the clips. Slide out the rack. Pry the top of the old adjuster off of the rack, then slide the adjuster forward to remove. Install the new upper dish rack adjuster by aligning the bottom hooks on the rack first. Then snap the top of the adjuster into place. Align the rollers on the side rails and slide the rack in. Reinstall the front stop clips by inserting them through the holes in the side rails. Then squeeze to lock each clip into place. Confirm the rack moves freely, and your dishwasher should be ready for use.